Welcome everyone to this series right here where I'm going to try and actually build my first feature in my Angular/.NET Core clean architecture solution, where we're going to try and create a way to kind of get all products and display them in Angular. And in the end of this series right here, we'll have it deployed in a production environment. We'll do some testing during this series right here, and we'll also do some actual development process by having something like Kanban flow to kind of show our progress during this series right here. This first lesson right here is going to be focused on initial plumbing of the project, and here we're going to just start out by downloading the project into Writer and just setting up the different items I need in order to get started with actually developing our system right here. So initial plumbing, new project. I've already set up a lot during the first series. If you go and check out the intro series for this last series, you can actually see all of this. I have a link in the description, so go and check it out if you want to. Now we are going to download this Legos for Life.NET Core right here, and the easiest way to do it is just to go on the site, link is in the description, and just copy the link right here like this, and then you can just go to Writer, open their main project page right here and say get from CVS. I'll just paste in the link I just copied and I'll just put it down here. That's a perfectly fine folder for me. A good advice for the Windows users, try to put it on your C drive somewhere. If you put it directly in your user folder on Windows, you might get issues later on where you can't write to the directory because of firewall or because of antivirus. So try to put this on your C drive instead, under a work folder or something, instead of putting it directly in the documents folder under your user. So I'll clone this right now to kind of get the project locally, and I'll trust it because it's my own project. You can trust it too, I guess. And here is the actual structure that we are building from scratch, where we have the clean architecture up and running with some preset projects that you can use in your system. Now this project right here that I just downloaded is the main branch, and the main branch have everything set up and prepared for you so that we can run. Not only that, we also have dependencies set up so that everybody who needs references to other dependencies, they will be here available and already set. Now when the project is loaded here and everything is running, let's just try and start it. Now if you're working on a Mac, you'll get an issue like this. IIS launch settings command couldn't be executed on current operating system. Just switch to Web API project and everything will be running. So I just want to show you that. So when I run it now, I can actually start my application right here, and it will actually automatically open up Swagger right here. We'll get into that later and work with Swagger. But that should be what you see in order to have a running system. So you just downloaded the .NET Core solution I created for you, and you also kind of jumped into Swagger right here, so that the solution is actually running now. Let's just stop the solution again, and next lesson we'll just talk a little bit about the structure that I made for you in these folders right here. See you next time. Bye.